By now, you probably see and hear the bad news. Whether you see it on the TV or you open TikTok and see it, what you can do right now is pray for World Dawg. Because you want to know what worse than bad news and news? Wrong news. I see some of you turn on the live and you talk like you was on the scene when it happened. Some of you spread the wrong news and talk like on a pine finger. You don't know more than authorities and police. And a youth lose him life in a situation too. Condolences to him and his family. How about you pray for Fim family? Fim family I go through a rough patch too. You see me? Pray for World Dawg. Speedy recovery. You see me I say? And stop spread the wrong news. Some of you post about it and you not even use the word allegedly. You see me I say? Just pray for the people involved in the thing and make